The death of a spouse is one of the most devastating events of a person's life. During this difficult time, do not make any major financial decisions right away. Allow yourself time to only deal with the emotions of your loss. Then, get 10 to 20 copies of your spouse's death certificate to document ownership changes. Be sure to keep all payments current to avoid late and interest charges. Don't sell your house, sell investments, or give money to kids or charity right away. And don't immediately reinvest proceeds from insurance until your financial picture is clear. Verify your survivor benefits from pensions, Social Security, and investments. Gather and organize all financial documents and statements. Then, assess your current and future financial needs. We can help you through this difficult time. Please give us a call today. We're here for you.